Hello guys, welcome to the Philips OneBlade unboxing. So Philips markets this product as a revolutionary product that could do it all in one blade. So it could trim, edge and shape. So here we go. This is how it looks inside. Yeah, very sleek, nice presentation, of course. This product is, by the way, only for the face. They do, however, have another product for the face and body, which is a couple of dollars more. I think this is in the 30s, and the one with the face and body is in the 40 plus range. So this is the device itself. So let's see, what else do we have? We have a charger and all those papers that we usually do not read. And what else? Yep. Okay, we have also here, we got a exclusive replacement blade offer. Yeah. Okay, let's put the box aside. Okay, here we go, the unit and the accessories here. Now let's unwrap the device. Wow, it looks nice. It's quite sleek compared to other products of its range. Very modern. It's got a good grip. By the way, it has a waterproof handle, and it can last up to 45 minutes of usage runtime for an 8-hour charge. Okay, this box contains 3 combs of course, obviously 3 different sizes, and an additional one blade, and it covers for it too, which you cannot see for some apparent reason. Okay, here you go. So let's unpack the blade. So you get 2 with this box. So this is the blade. Looks quite nice. Okay, easy to clip on. Yeah, that's how it looks with the blade on. Very nice, very handy, you could say. There you go, it's working. It's pre-charged, I believe. There you go. These are the combs in different sizes, in 5, that's number 5, and the other is 3. Yeah, and this is 3 and the other is a 1. So in between I really don't know, but you have all the odd numbers here. So let's try clipping it on. There we go, one more. Oh yeah, okay, that was quite easy. Just need to press it against the comb with very minimal pressure and it clicks. Looks nice. So to remove, just reverse the action and there we go. It's pretty simple. I'll show it to you again. Keep the blade, pressure it in, and to unclip, just pull it up. That's it. Very straightforward. Very straightforward. Thank you guys for joining me with the unboxing of OneBlade.